In this tutorial, we will be building a branded audio web app. If you haven't already, make a free account with us and log in to the Locatify Builder. You are now in the Locatify Builder homepage. To begin creating your branded web app, start by setting up the menu interface. Navigate to the left-hand menu and click on My Apps. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and select Create or Set Up Web App. In the setup window that appears, enter a name for your project. For this tutorial, we will name it Museum Demo Web App. Click on Create App. You are now in the branded web app menu. Start by uploading your logo from the Media Manager. It will be displayed within your Locatify Builder account. Customize your app with a background image and a banner that aligns with your brand. These visuals will help personalize your app. You can preview your changes on the right side of the screen to see how your app will look like. You may choose images or solid colors for these elements. Please note that the branded web app menu is available only with standard and advanced subscriptions. Free and basic subscription users can test it, but their experience will include a watermark and an audio time limit. Next, let's explore the remaining two tabs in this section. First, we have the Insights tab. Here, you'll find valuable analytical data, including a graph showing key performance indicators for your app. Additionally, the Usage Report provides information on the number of downloaded tours and other important metrics. Finally, we have the Pins tab. Here, you can upload your custom pins for all your tours if you choose to include a map in your project. Keep in mind that you can always edit the branded app interface page at any time. Now, it's time to attach projects to your web app. To begin, let's navigate back to the main menu. To create a project, you can either start from the center of the homepage, or use the left side panel under the plus button by selecting New Project. There are three ways to begin. Start from a blank project to fully customize your experience. Choose from template for a pre-designed setup you can use right away. Or select from File to upload an existing Locatify project and continue working on it. For this part of the demo, we'll choose Blank Project, so go ahead and click on it. Now, you're in the project wizard. Follow each step and click through as you go. You'll notice the icons on the top right of each tile indicate which app types support the project. For the web app, make sure to select the options that display the little web icon. Step 1. Select the project type. Since gaming features aren't currently supported in the web app, go ahead and click on Audio Guide Tour to continue. Next, choose the project format. With a basic subscription, you can create a simple single audio track. While with a standard or advanced subscription, you can access all three formats. An outdoor tour featuring a map, a list of points for indoor or outdoor use, or a single audio track. Step 3. Select the activation method. This defines how points are triggered. For outdoor maps, the content can be triggered either automatically via GPS or manually by pressing on the device's screen. For a single audio track or smart list view, by default, the content will trigger manually. Click Next to continue. The settings, add any optional languages, just remember translations must be provided for each selected language. Then, name your project and click Add Project. That wraps up the first part of the demo on creating a project from scratch. We can now close this window and return to the main menu. Let's navigate to Projects and click on Audio Guide. You can view your existing projects organized by type, as shown in this example. The first project is a list of points, the second is a single audio track, and the third is an outdoor map. Let's open the first project and publish it to the web app. Double-check that all elements are ready. The images, the languages, the audio, the text description, and the correct position of your point's location if you have a map in your project. Verify all those elements for each point. We are now ready to publish the project, so click on the Go Live button. Make sure you selected the correct publish setting. Like every other Locattify project type, you can choose to have your tour either listed in the app or accessed via invitation code only. At this point of the demo, we will choose Listed in the app. Click on Next. Select the web app, then click on Publish. Your tour is now live. On this page, you'll see 2 QR codes to access your app and your tour. After publishing, you can return to this same page by clicking the green Live page located on the top of the pause button. Let's have a look at the QR codes. Here's how they work. The second QR code lets you access the tour directly, bypassing the web app menu interface. You can either copy the web app link directly from this page, or you can also save the QR code to paste it in another document. When you scan this QR code, here's how it looks like in the app. Scan the QR code directly using your phone's camera and open the link. Discover your project's front page. Choose a language and download the tour. The download time will depend on the amount of content, its size, and length. You can see all the elements are there, the list of points, the audio, etc. It's fairly simple. This is how you can share the direct access to your tour with your customers or visitors. Now, let's talk about the first QR code. This QR code gives you access to the app's front page, the main web app menu. You can also copy the web app link, as well as the QR code. Let's scan the QR code to see what the main web app menu looks like. You can see the banner and background image we previously set, the tour we just published, as well as any additional tours if there were more. When multiple projects are published, you can use the drop-down menu to easily sort your newly published tours and those already visited. There is also the search bar. And finally, the redeem button. Remember, in the publishing settings, we had the option to either list the tour in the app or select access with invitation code only. If you chose the latter, you would have created vouchers with unique codes or QR codes. This is where you would enter the code, providing a great way to distribute private access to tours. You can also return to the web app menu page to check your app's content in the preview. For additional tips and resources, be sure to visit our Help Center for more guidance on tour creation. And voila, you're all set to create your web app.